Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my nails using the products that come in the January Your Nail Lab nail box, which is by Macart. This is actually a collab with Natalie Carmona. So let me show you guys what comes in the box. So this box was sent to me, just so you guys know, but I will be giving my 100% honest review on this box. So it comes with a acrylic brush. It is a size 12. So this is what the brush looks like. It's super pretty. Comes with 2 acrylic powders. They are 2 ounces each. It also comes with a poly gel. This one is a Siesta. That is what the color looks like. It also comes with some rhinestones. It also comes with 2 gel polishes. This one is in ginger. The other one is in sprinkles. The last thing in the box are some nail tips. It comes with glue and a mini nail file. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by prepping my nails. I'm gonna use this cuticle pusher and I'm just going to push back my cuticles. So I'm not planning on keeping these nails on for too long, so I'm not going to use my sanding bit today. I'm just going to use this little buffer and just gently buff my nails. I'm going to use this cuticle nipper and I'm going to cut off some of that hanging cuticle. Okay, so now I'm going to size and glue on these nail tips. So I'm going to take this dip activator, and this is just like a resin activator, and this is just going to help the glue dry a lot quicker because this is taking forever. Okay, so this is how the nail tips look once they're applied. They are very long. I do like them like this, but I can't handle long nails like these, so I'm gonna cut them down. I'm going to use my straight edge nail clipper to do this. So now I'm going to take my nail polish 100 grit nail file and I'm just going to file the free edge and just shape them up a bit and also blend in the nail tip. Now I'm going to clean them off with this alcohol pad. So I want to prime my nails with the Not Polished Triple X Bond. I really love this stuff, by the way. If you guys are having trouble with lifting, try this out. It's really good. I'm gonna quickly swatch the acrylics for you guys. This one is Pinky Promise. This one is in Show Off. Okay, so I'm going to use the pink one. So I'm going to use the Kiara Sky monomer. So far, I'm not liking the brush. As you guys can see, it's like clumping up already. It's like dry. I don't know. It feels cheap. Okay, so this brush is a no-no. It's like, I don't even know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I'm doing exactly what I do with my other brushes. And it's just clumped. So I'm gonna switch off to my regular brush. I'm switching to my Pana brush in a size 10. It's my favorite brush. For my cuticle bead, I do like it a little bit drier, so I did pat the back side of it on my paper towel, so hopefully it won't run everywhere. And I do angle my finger downwards, that way my cuticle area does not get flooded. So the acrylic is really runny, so what I'm gonna do to try to fix that is I'm gonna use some acetone. I'm gonna put some drops into my monomer. Just gonna put some, and hopefully that helps a bit. I'm gonna put a little bit more acetone. Okay, so adding a little bit more acetone did definitely make it easier to work with. Okay, so this acrylic is definitely slow setting, so I definitely recommend you guys to add a little bit of acetone into your monomer and also let the acrylic sit on your brush for at least like 30 seconds and then apply it onto your nail. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly do my thumb off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here's how my nails look like now that I'm done with application. So overall, the powder wasn't the easiest to work with at first, but then I figured out how to use it and I figured out that it is a slow setting powder. So I did add some acetone into my monomer and I did let it sit on my brush for a little bit and then I applied it onto my nail and it worked a lot better. The brush, on the other hand, I don't like so much. It was not very good. It was very hard to work with and it clumped up really fast. So I don't really recommend this brush. But I do like the powder, but I don't love it. Okay, so now I'm going to file my nails. I'm going to use the Pana 5-in-1 drill bit and a fine grit. And I'm just going to use this to file around the cuticle area and also the surface of the nail a bit. By the way, I'm using my Melody Susie Scarlet Drill. I've been using this one for like over a year and it's really good. I'm going to be trying out the Melody Susie Dust Collector. I did buy this on my own, so it's not a review or nothing, but it's my first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, now I'm going to take my 100 grit nail file from Not Polish and I'm going to shape up the nails. And I'm also going to use this on the surface just to completely smooth it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take this little buffer and I'm going to buff out my nails. I'm going to take one of these alcohol pads again and I'm going to clean off my nails. I'm going to use the pink gel polish and I'm going to use the Hello Cute liner brush and I'm going to do some little swirls on each nail. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some bling. To apply the bling, I'm going to use the Acrylic nail glue. I'm gonna put a little bit of this activator, that way the glue dries quicker. Okay, so I'm gonna top coat the nails with the not polished glossy top coat. Okay, I'm gonna cure this for 90 seconds. Okay, so here are the nails. I think they turned out really cute. I really like them, and I really like that acrylic color. Super pretty. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about the nails. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.